Okay, without delay, I would love to choose a few people to describe about this picture. Let me choose Suchita first. Suchita, so please describe about the picture you can see.
Teacher can pass the.
Okay, no worry. I move to one team.
Yes, teacher. In the picture, I see there are two people, man and woman. The woman is standing and she wearing blue dress. Especially she is smiling so cute, and man is sitting behind woman and he is taking the woman. That's all for me, teacher.
All right, so let me move to camera.
Yeah, teacher. For this picture, am seeing two people, the man and woman. For man, she is wearing blue dress and black bow. Behind the woman, I seeing a man that wear a black trouser and shirt. He is taking photo to her, and he is sitting on the salon, and uh, he is he is smiling. For a woman, she also smiling. Um, and I seeing the flower into on the table and the cat on the teacher. I'm forget the word công rào prom
Carpet.
carpet. Yeah, teacher. And they are in front of the door, teacher. That's all for me, teacher.
Thanks for your description. Okay, it's a long in Khmer, but in English it's called sofa. Okay, it's a long. Move to Baray.
As I can see in the picture, there are two people in the room. The man is sitting on the sofa and the woman is standing on the floor. The man is taking photo for the woman and a woman is smiling in front of the door. And there is a cat behind the woman, and there is a vase on the chair next to the cat. That's all, teacher.
Okay, so what about Sarun? Sarun, can you try, Sarun? Okay, maybe she's not here. So move to Lisa. Lisa, are you there? Hello, Lisa.
Hello, John.
Yeah, please describe the picture now. Your friends are listening to you. Hello, Lisa.
Yes, sir, I'm not yet.
Not yet ready?
Yes.
So who can I because everyone has done that. Chita, can you try, Chita?
Yes, teacher.
Okay,
In
just say
this,
something you can, yeah.
I see the man sit on the sofa, and the woman is standing behind the door. The man is taking photo for woman. The cat behind the woman. The man is happy. That's all, teacher.
Okay, that's all from you. Anyone else not yet called? You want to talk something about this? Okay, so anyway, thank you guys for your description. So have a look on this picture and let me say something about this picture. So the way that you can describe a good picture to someone who have never seen the picture, you need to say about the activity happening in the photos and something that exists, okay, something that exists in the photo as well. For example, now I have a painting. I want to show you something about what is in that. So there are two people, a man and a woman. A woman is standing and she is smiling. She is wearing a long blue dress. She's wearing boots. She has got long hair and she has got white skin. A man is sitting on the sofa behind the lady. He's taking her photo. He's smiling. He's wearing black suits and he is wearing black shoes. The sofa is seem big for him to sit on. And look at the photo here. I can see a vase and some flowers. There are flowers in the vase. And there is a small table. The vase is on the table. Oh, look, there's a cat. A cat is behind the lady. It is walking to her. And the picture looks so beautiful and everyone is in a bedroom, I guess. You see what I have just described?
Yes, it's really smooth and everyone will be listening.
Yeah, I know. When you describe about something, you just focus on something first, and then you just say detail about what he or she has first. So when you give that kind of picture, the listener will understand. Okay, like I describe about lady. I describe about the whole picture, and after that I describe about the lady, and then I move to the man, and then I move to the thing, and then I move to specific like cat, and then the overall picture you can see in a painting. So when I describe about this, the listener will understand, oh, that a type of painting that with a lady, with a man taking photo, a cat, a vase, flower, sofa, or something like that, okay? Anyway, guys, no worry. So I give you an homework, guys. When you finish this time, just look at the photo of that again and try to make your own description one more time by using there is, there are, and with the present continuous form. I just want you to record your voice and you drop into the group so that everyone can listen to your description and you yourself can learn from your description too, okay? So no worry, don't be shy. Try to speak as much as possible. You can improve your learning and also you can improve your speaking skill. Anyways, because it's time now, I need to go back to Phnom Penh, okay, my homeland, my hometown, my home. So I will not take you guys anymore for this time. It's up now. So thank for your present today. And I hope you enjoy the class today, okay? Bye for now and see you again next week, everyone. Bye-bye.
Thank you, teacher, and good luck on the way.
Thank you.